Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to look at something I got at Home Depot again. Really good deal on this. Something I already had, but again, the deal was very good and never could, never have too many of them. It's a DeWALT Jobsite fan. It's a little 11-inch one. It is a corded and cordless, so you can use the 20-volt DeWALT batteries with it, or you could plug it in, which is nice. And it's just a regular extension cord, which is really nice. So we're gonna start with unboxing it, and then I'm gonna talk to you kinda about where I'm at in terms of where the deal is, how much it costs, how much it normally costs, and all that stuff. So we'll start with unboxing it. Again, I already have this fan. I've had it for about a year. Use it all the time, which is really nice. I live in Arizona, so having the fan in the garage, something that I don't have to plug into, is always really convenient. I bought my original one for $100 flat, something like that, off of Amazon, and I really liked that. I thought it was a really good deal. This one is a lot better deal, and I'll get into that in a second. So this is what the fan looks like. Again, it is a 20-volt, just regular DeWALT 11-inch fan. It has our adjustment knob right here, and it has the 20-volt battery connection on the bottom right there. Behind that connection is really nice. It has the I don't know if you can see, my hands are in the way, I'm sorry. Has the extension cord connection right there, which is really nice. So, I mean, overall, very stout. Again, I love the one I already have. If you're using it on rafters, it has the hooks on the bottom of it, so you can attach it to 2x4, any sort of ledge, and it rotates like that, which is really nice. Attaches to a pole if you want it on the bottom. Has that screw in there right there, so you can attach it to the pole and have it up. So I mean, overall, real nice. Again, they have like the eyelets right here too, so if you wanted to drill into your wall or can do a pegboard or something like that, you'd also hang like that. So very nice fan. When I was originally doing my research on it, the DeWALT seemed to have the best overall rating for these little job site fans, especially the cordless ones. And it's really nice that, I know that, I'm pretty sure in Milwaukee you have to have an adapter to, or a specific extension cord to plug it into the wall, which I think is kind of dumb. Whereas this one, it's just plug in a regular extension cord and it's good to go. The great thing about this one that my other fan didn't come with was this one came with an accessory pack. So it has your little standard DeWALT charger, which is the same exact thing you get on every single DeWALT tool, the little 20-volt charger. Not the greatest chargers in the world. They're really slow, but again, I have half a dozen of them, and they work just fine. Just takes a little bit longer, not a big deal. And then I also have, with this set, that was really nice, is it included a battery. So it's only a 1.5 amp hour battery, but it's real nice. I don't really use these on the fans, just because I have bigger DeWALT batteries. But with these, you can run the fan for hours at a time with these little baby batteries, and that's on full blast, and it'll keep going strong, which is really nice. Overall, I'm very happy with it. The price on this, again, is why I bought it. I really didn't want another DeWALT fan, but bought it for the fact that the price was I thought was great overall. The price on this, I walked out the door with it before tax for $89.97. So 90 bucks. When you're walking out the door, 100 bucks pretty much walking out the door. I don't think you can beat that price anywhere. And again, that's a better price than I got with my other fan, considering this is a fan with a battery and a charger. Even though I really didn't need the battery and the charger, it's nice to have, and it's $90. So I thought that that was great. These batteries normally go for about 60 bucks anyways. So considering these batteries go for 60 bucks regular price, charger, you know, however much it goes for. Essentially, I got the fan for 40 bucks, 30 bucks essentially. So that's really, really nice. This, just to give an example, this is the old fan. So as you can tell, it's seen some miles on it so far. And it is a real, I mean, it's a really, really nice fan. I have a 5 amp hour battery on it right now. So it definitely runs it a lot longer than that half, or that 1.5. Here, we'll put the 1.5 in there. But just to show you, the controls are really easy. That's barely on right now, so just barely. And then you can just slowly ramp itself up to where it's, you know, it's blowing real good. And so it'll sit there, even on this little battery, it'll sit there and it'll run for hours, which is real nice. These 5 amp hour batteries, if you get one of those, it'll run this fan for like the whole entire day, which is really, really nice. And you know, even having the dogs that we have in the back of the truck, or, you know, out camping or something like that, really great for that. We put it in the tent when we go camping. Real nice for that too. It overall is, I mean, even with, if I put the 5 amp hour battery back in, I mean, it is decently light. Oops, if I can turn it off. Decently light, and then very robust. I've dropped this thing multiple times already, and it hasn't chipped, hasn't broke. And again, you can see it's definitely not like it's babied. It's used, so it gets oil on it from my hands. The knob gets oil on it. The connections to the batteries get oil on them, and it just still seems to keep running. So I mean, overall, I think this is awesome, especially if you live in a little bit warmer place, or if you just want a little fan. I mean, it's quiet. You don't have to worry about plugging in, and then you can go out, even if you're working in your driveway or something like that. It's a lot easier than bringing the extension cord out to not, you know, roast to death in the sun. So, you know, it's $89 at my local Arizona Home Depot. I looked on their website. Their website lists at $99. It might just be a, you know, local thing for $89, but $99 is still a great deal for this. If you have any questions on it, again, you clearly see that I have used it a time or two. I, you know, clearly it attests to how good the product is, considering I'm buying a second one because I like it so much. If you have any questions about it, please let me know, and I'll get back to you as fast as I possibly can. And yeah, nothing bad I can say about it considering the cost of it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, or you have any ideas for the next video, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.